Hello everybody, Jackson here from the Wall Squad. Today we're going to be talking about the market dip today, and we're going to majorly just look at what happened, where's support, resistance, like where do we think it's going next, and some other stocks that look like they have some good opportunities ahead. So we're going to look at these today. Of course, this is the S&P 500 ETF, SPY, and you can see today down, let's see today. Down 1.67%. At one point, it was down a lot more than that. So you can see this last hour literally just jumped. But you can see it was a big day today. At most, let's see how much we were down. 2.8%. And it has since rebounded. But if we look at the 1-year chart, you could see that there's a big point today. And considering that the 100 moving average was right around where the price was, right? If it closed below that, that means the market would generally tend to go lower. Since it closed above it, it may be a good sign that the market will will jump off of this line. So that may be a good sign. But, if this closed below, if this candle was full red up to this point, that would be a bearish sign. So right now it's looking not too bad. And the whole reason this dip happened today, it's not even that big of a dip if you look at it, like from all-time highs. Let's measure exactly. Right around 4 or 5%. The reason this happens is because a Chinese real estate developer, the second largest in the world, actually went under. And, that's not good news, right? If a real estate developer in a large country went bankrupt. So, that's why the market dipped. Of course, other things like the virus and stuff like that. But another opportunity that I found was actually Nike. And you can see here why I think that. So this is a normal, pattern. If it jumps and then it comes back and tries to, hit it again. So this is a gap that's supposed to be filled, right? And if it's not filled, then it will, stay above it. So right now it's hitting that 100 moving average. And it's about to hit this line that was the lowest, or I'll move this up to when it jumped, right? So you could see Nike never hit this before. Then when it did, it jumped all the way 172. Now it's back to 150. We can see this exact same pattern in UPS a while back. So not even this one, but this one, you could see right here that UPS hit it and bounced off and has since, been playing around with it. So it is a strong support, that line. And we're seeing that currently with Nike here. So that's why I'm thinking Nike may be a stock to watch. And of course, it is off of the all-time highs from 174 now down, 13%. So it may be a good stock to buy as a trading vehicle, if not an investment. And you can see the RSI is below 30, which is a good sign if you're trying to buy the stock. Now let's go back to the market. You can see the RSI for the year is not even below 30 yet. It probably was earlier today, but right now it's not. And 5 years, we're still above 50. So if there's pain to be felt, we haven't felt it yet. And if the market is just, a little back and forth action, then tomorrow or this coming week will probably, be in the green. But, it's too early to tell. Of course, it always is, because I'm not going to predict the market, right? I'm just sharing my opinion. No one can predict the market. I don't know if it's going to open up green or red tomorrow based off what I know, since today was just the last power hour, right? Where it jumped 1.2%. I would assume that tomorrow will be green, if not, indifferent, not red or green, just maybe in between, barely, like up 0.1% or down 0.1%. So something like that. But, we'll see tomorrow. I'm just sharing my opinion, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.